Hi, my name is Fernando Albor.
Hi, my name is Aaron Servín.
My nickname is Glow. It's spelled Glow.
My nickname is Malto. It's spelled Milto.
My first name is Fernando. It's spelled Fernindo.
My first name, Aaron, is spelled Aaron.
My last name is Albor. It's spelled Ilbor.
My last name is Servín. It's spelled Serbin.
I am from Mexico City, Mexico.
I am from Mexico City, Mexico.
I am 50 years old.
I am 50 old years.
I am a student at Maestro Moisés Garza.
I am student at Moisés Sáenz Garza.
My favorite actress is Emma Watson.
My favorite actress is Anne Hathaway.